Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're having a great one. Well, I know you folks are some sharp people because you chose this video. Just kidding. Now, today we're going to show you how to cut a balloon in half without a knife, without a scissors, without anything sharp that could hurt you or anyone else. And the nice thing is it's always with you. We're talking about these. I'm going to show you today how to break a balloon off, how to split a balloon, all with really just these two guys and a little bit of thing called leverage. So sit back, grab your balloons, and let's have some fun. So to show you how to do this the easiest way, I'm going to grab a clear balloon so you can actually see my fingers. Now, there's your clear balloon. What my fingers are going to do is I'm going to push them into the balloon. I'm then going to use my thumbs to separate, or sorry, my knuckles to separate my thumbs. So it's going to be like, let's see here. Let's get a good shot. I'm going to push the air out of the balloon, and then I'm just going to, in a quick motion, using my thumb knuckle right there, just going to rip it off. And then we have two balloons. Let me show you that in a slow-mo. Okay, no, we'll do it. So get the thumbs in there, and I'm going to try to stop it halfway through so you can see. Yep. So the balloon's still attached, and by completing that motion of pulling it apart, it lets me separate it. So let me do it one more time for this camera. Again, pushing the fingers in there and then just using those thumb tips to separate that one layer of balloon. And as we're doing that, we're pulling the rest of the way. Think of it like pulling a rubber band. If you pull a rubber band slowly, what happens? It stretches. But if you pull it really quickly, what happens? It splits. So we're kind of doing the same thing, but we're directing where we want it to break. And this is a technique that I use so many times on a daily basis, even sculpture basis, because it gives me that control to overinflate a little bit if I need to, or if I need to just get rid of an extra piece. I don't need to feel around for my scissors or my box cutter or coupon cutter, whatever you're using to break off your balloons. It's just, oh, okay, I need to make this look right. I got to finish it up. So it's just simple as that. Let me try to do it one more time here for you. See if I can just cut through one layer. Yep, again, you can just see that little bit there. The idea is that you're just stopping the flow of the air. Your thumb is filling the gap as soon as you make it. And that's really it. It's not that hard. Once you get it, you've done it a few times, it'll be like riding a bicycle. It'll come back over and over again for it. It will take a couple times for you to get that flow, that confidence of just going for it. I've seen a lot of people who tried to do this and it didn't work out well for them because they like hesitated. Just go for it. What's the worst that's going to happen? The balloon's going to break. What do you want it to do? To break a balloon? Hmm. So the worst case might actually be a good thing. Just work with it. Do it a couple times. The confidence will get there and you'll build it up. Piece of cake. So that's all for this technique. Check out the other techniques in the playlist. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really does help as we're trying to build up the channel. We are right now trying to do 3 videos a week minimum. Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern time is when we're committing to making those videos out there. And then as other ideas come, or I have some extra footage that I want to, a video I want to shoot out quicker, I'll usually get those out on the weekends when I'm actually editing. But please comment. Please let me know what you would like to see out of this channel. As much as this is my channel, this is your channel. I want this to be something that grows, that community grows, and that people years later can look at as like, wow, that really helped me on my journey. Because again, if you've seen the Rose video of the uninflated balloon, I am forever grateful to the men who poured into me, and I want to pour into others. So let's all do this journey together, and we'll be a whole bunch of sharp people. So hey, just remember, when it all comes down to it, a smile is free, a thank you only takes a moment, but an encouraging word at the right time can change a life. So thank you. Keep on twisting. Until next time, adios.